Ever found yourself staring at your phone, waiting and waiting for a response that feels like it's taking an eternity? Especially when it's about something as crucial as accessing your hard-earned wages a little early? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into that very question, specifically focusing on Beforepay. How long does it really take to get a response from them? Let's be honest, in today's fast-paced world, speed is everything. When you're facing an unexpected bill or need a little financial boost before payday, you don't have time to wait around. That's where apps like Beforepay come in, promising quick access to your wages. But what happens after you hit that apply button? Does the money magically appear, or are you left in limbo? The answer, as with most things, isn't a simple yes or no. The time it takes to get a response from Beforepay can vary depending on a few key factors. First, let's talk about the initial application process. If you're a new user, you'll need to go through their verification process. This typically involves linking your bank account and providing some basic personal information. This initial setup can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the speed of your bank and the accuracy of the information you provide. Once your application is submitted, Beforepay's system kicks into gear, assessing your eligibility. This is where things can get a little less predictable. They're looking at your income, spending habits, and overall financial health to determine how much you can access. Generally, if your bank account is regularly receiving salary deposits from your employer and you have a good financial track record, you'll likely see a faster response. However, if there are any discrepancies or if your financial situation requires further review, it might take a bit longer. Beforepay aims to provide quick responses, but they also have a responsibility to ensure responsible lending. This means they need to thoroughly assess each application to minimize risk for both themselves and their users. So, what are we talking about in terms of actual time? For most users with straightforward applications, you can expect a response within a few hours. In some cases, it might be even faster, with approvals happening in minutes. However, if there are complexities, it could take up to 24 hours. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: customer support response times. If you have questions or encounter issues, how quickly can you expect to hear back from Beforepay's support team? Again, this can vary depending on the volume of inquiries they're receiving. Generally, they aim to respond within a few hours via their in-app chat or email support. However, during peak times, it might take a little longer. Here's a pro tip: make sure you provide all the necessary information when contacting support. This will help them resolve your issue more quickly. Be clear, concise, and provide any relevant screenshots or details. Ultimately, while Beforepay strives for speed and efficiency, the exact time it takes to get a response can fluctuate. It's best to be patient and understand that they're working to ensure responsible lending practices. If you're concerned about the status of your application, reach out to their support team for an update. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.